Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to demonstrate to you some identification tests of cations and anions. Okay, so I am having a salt with me. I want to identify the anion and the cation in it. This is having a smell of ammonia. How will I smell this test tube? You shouldn't smell directly. Please keep it at a distance and wave like this and then take the smell. If it is in a watch glass, that will be better. So this is having a smell of ammonia. So the chances are that this will be ammonium. Chances are that cation will be ammonium. Okay. Anyway, I am not going to confirm it now. I will do an experiment to identify anion. A simple experiment using dilute HCl. First I am going to make salt solution with it. I am adding water to it. Okay. I have added water to it. Now I am dissolving it. Solubility also you should note in your observation sheet. That's also very important for us. Okay, anyway, it has dissolved. Now I will add dilute HCl to it. Please observe the test tube carefully and what's happening. Please observe the test tube. I am adding dilute HCl to it. What you can see? Brisk effervescence was formed, isn't it? Still now bubbles are coming. Brisk effervescence has formed. These bubbles are carbon dioxide. So it shows that our salt contains carbonate anion. Our salt contains carbonate anion. So smell of ammonia. Cation may be ammonium. We have added dilute HCl. We have added dilute HCl and we got brisk effervescence. We got brisk effervescence. This shows that anion may be carbonate. So our salt is ammonium carbonate. Very easily we identified. But I didn't confirm. There are confirmation tests for ammonia, but that I am not doing now. We will move to next salt. Today I am going to create an interest for you. Okay, so I am introducing you to simple salt. First one was ammonium carbonate, that we have identified it. Next, we have given a salt here. This also I will dissolve in water. One more thing, this is having a smell of vinegar. This salt is having a smell of vinegar. This is our second salt. This salt is having a smell of vinegar. Smell of vinegar. If there is a smell of vinegar, that's a very easy way to identify the anion acetate. Anion may be acetate. Anyway, we are not going to confirm it now. We are going to do another experiment that is also with the dilute HCl. Okay. I have made salt solution with that test tube. Then to that salt solution I am adding dilute HCl. If there is brisk effervescence, then there will be carbonate, that we have studied by now. Anyway, I am adding dilute HCl to it. Please listen. Please observe the test tube carefully. What's happening? Whether there is brisk effervescence, whether there is any precipitate. Please observe the test tube carefully. What have you seen? Instead of brisk effervescence or bubbles, here we got precipitate. Here we got precipitate. Precipitate means white solid particles has been formed, and that will also settle down. This is the indication of lead. This is the indication of lead. If we add dilute HCl, white precipitate is obtained. That means the cation may be lead. Cation may be lead. After some time, test tube will be like this. That precipitate will settle